Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Marie and I am your resident graffiti artist slash attorney. So today we are piecing things together. As you guys may know, I have been doing the graffiti alphabet for it seems like years, and now we are going to take that alphabet and start making words. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw the word bad in graffiti style. And no, it's not a bad word, it's just the word bad. We're still being family friendly. Except for that one video. That one was probably PG, but this one will be good, I promise. G for good. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. I will link below all of the letters, so that way if you want to go to the letters separate video, you can do that. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy. We interrupt this programming for an important announcement, and I can't even make anything important because I screw up the words. If you like my content, please like it or subscribe if you want to. I upload 2 videos a week about graffiti and art reviews and goofiness, and I upload on Saturdays and Sundays. And if you like my content, then please make sure to subscribe. And if you're getting some value out of this, please subscribe. If you just feel sorry for me, please subscribe. I'm down for a sorry subscription, you know what I mean? I'm all about it. Back to the letters. And that's it, folks. That is your bad word of the day. Don't listen to any other bad words. Hope you guys enjoyed this. So without further ado, I already said this multiple times. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment. Be true to yourself. Toodles.